Welcome to this tutorial on silencing notification sounds in the Band app. If you find the constant pings from posts, comments, or chats distracting, this guide will show you how to mute them, ensuring a quieter experience without missing important updates. First, open the Band app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Small Settings icon. After that, find and tap on the Notifications option. After that, scroll further to find Band Notices and Notification Sounds. Tap on it to proceed. Now you'll see various notification categories: post notifications, comment notifications, and chat notifications. Tap on each category individually. For each category, you'll have the option to set the notifications to silent. Toggle this setting on to mute the sounds for that specific category. Repeat this process for all notification categories to ensure a completely silent notification experience. By following these steps, you can effectively mute notification sounds in the Band app, allowing you to stay updated without the constant auditory interruptions.